Garlic is a versatile ingredient that has been used for centuries in both the culinary world and in home remedies. Studies have indicated that it can provide a wide range of health benefits, including aiding digestion, fighting infection and inflammation, lowering cholesterol levels, and even reducing the risk of certain diseases such as cancer. As well, garlic's unique flavor makes it incredibly popular in countless recipes, from soups to sauces to stir-fries, making it an essential pantry staple not just for taste, but also its various nutritional qualities. Garlic is actually high in calories, so consuming too much of this spice can lead to weight gain, but it should be noted that the average person does not eat nearly enough garlic for any noticeable weight gain. In addition to its caloric content, garlic contains complex carbohydrates and proteins which enhance physical performance as well as promote mental health. Lastly, garlic has numerous minerals and vitamins including vitamin B, sodium, potassium, and magnesium, all of which are essential for proper nutrition. Finally, garlic contains allicin, a sulfur-based compound that helps with digestion while providing antibacterial benefits among many other nutrients vital to our body's well-being. Garlic is a powerful natural remedy which has been used for centuries to tackle infections, metabolic disorders, and respiratory problems. Boasting an abundant source antioxidants and anti-inflammatories as well as numerous other beneficial compounds, garlic can be highly effective in providing cardiovascular health benefits such as regulating cholesterol levels, improving blood flow, and preventing premature aging. The beneficial properties of garlic are impressive indeed. Not only does it possess a distinctive flavor and aroma, but scientific research has demonstrated that it can even help to boost health in numerous ways. In particular, garlic is known for its antibacterial qualities. Many studies have found that it is more effective at killing germs than some conventional antibiotics. Moreover, consuming this powerhouse food might also assist with reducing fluid retention and calming inflammation in the body's tissues. Among its countless other benefits, regular consumption of garlic could improve your overall bodily functioning significantly. Putting garlic under the pillow is an old family secret that has been used in many households for generations to improve sleep. It can provide a calming effect due to its sulfur-containing compounds and strong aroma, assisting those who have difficulty falling asleep and achieving quality rest at night. Consequently, this age-old custom has shown to be effective in improving sleeping patterns among individuals. Garlic's distinctive aroma can be overpowering at first, but after a few days of exposure it becomes less noticeable as you get used to it. Not only that, but garlic has natural benefits for improving one's overall performance throughout the day and aiding in restful sleep each night to prepare them for tomorrow. One way to harness the sleep-inducing properties of garlic is by creating a natural beverage that promotes rest and relaxation. To make this drink, begin by boiling several cloves of peeled garlic in 2 cups of purified water for 5 minutes before straining it through a cheesecloth or coffee filter into a cup or glass. Mixing some honey with the strained liquid can help create an enjoyable flavor while providing additional health benefits and promoting overall well-being. Enjoy this soothing mix daily, either at night before bedtime or when feeling tired during the day. To gain the maximum benefit from this drink, it is advised that you consume it approximately 30 minutes before going to bed. Its natural components possess vast healing properties proven effective in improving sleep problems. If you have found this video helpful and enjoyable, please show your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up and sharing with others. To stay up to date on more recipes and tips, kindly subscribe to our channel. Furthermore, be sure to explore the links in the description for further information.